Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class brought to you St. Xavier's School, Khulna. This is Mohammad Jakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier's School, Khulna. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. Dear students, you know that our government has recently published different kinds of assignment for different classes, and today I am going to conduct a class for class 7 English first paper. And you know that the students of class 7, you have already submitted a assignment for class 7 for English second paper. For English first paper, and your next assignment is English second paper for third week. Firstly, I would like to give some instruction about how to write assignment. For your better understanding, I am using Bangla, dear learners. তোমাদের যে টপিকটা সিলেক্ট করে দিয়েছে গভর্নমেন্ট, অর্থাৎ এনসিটিভি, এটা শিক্ষা মন্ত্রণালয়ের ওয়েবসাইট এবং মাধ্যমিক উচ্চ শিক্ষা অধিদপ্তর ওয়েবসাইটে প্রকাশিত হয়েছে। আমরা অলরেডি তোমাদের এটা প্রোভাইড করছি স্কুল থেকে। তো তোমরা ফার্স্ট যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা দিছো, এই অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে লেখা ইনস্ট্রাকশন আছে। অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে আমরা বলেছিলাম যে শুধু একটা পেজ লিখতে হবে। তো ফ্রন্ট যে পেজটা, সেই পেজটা লিখবা। ফ্রন্ট পেজটা আমরা স্কুল থেকে দিয়েছি, ওটা ফিল আপ করবা সুন্দরভাবে এবং প্রত্যেকটা পেজে একটা পেজে লিখবা, অর্থাৎ ফার্স্ট পেজটা লিখবা, সেকেন্ড পেজটা লেখার দরকার নেই। আর A4 সাইজের কাগজে লিখতে হবে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা, সুন্দর করে বর্ডার দিয়ে সুন্দর করে লিখতে হবে। ওকে, লিখে তারপর ওখানে যে আছে সাবজেক্ট টিচার সাবমিটেড টু, সাবজেক্ট টিচারের নাম লিখবা, যে ক্লাস টিচার নেয় সেটা। যাই হোক, আর কোনো সমস্যা থাকলে তোমরা স্কুলে আসতেছো, কন্ট্যাক্ট নাম্বার আছে, ইউ ক্যান কল মি এনি টাইম। সো টুডে আই এম গোয়িং টু start my class. Today, dear students, I will conduct a class for class 7 English first paper. Okay, let's go to start our class. Okay, welcome to online class. This is my identity, dear learners. I have already given you. Dear students, let's watch a video clip. Okay, it's related to our text, so just you enjoy the video. Okay. Okay, dear learners, I think that you have enjoyed the video. So, what have you seen in the video? Yes, you are right. If we can try, we can clean our environment. We can do everything for our environment. Okay. So, can you guess what we are going to learn today? What we are going to discuss in our classes? Yes, today our topic is what can we do. Today our topic is what can we do. Learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to think about climate and environment, read and understand text, write short guided and semi-guided sentences and passages. Okay? tell the meaning of some key words from inference. Okay? Inference. This is our learning outcome. So firstly we will learn some vocabulary, new vocabularies. Okay, dear students, for your better understanding, you can write this vocabularies in your answer script, that is in your textbook, note khata. Okay. Firstly, keep off. What do you mean by keep off? We should keep off taking junk food, right? We should keep off taking junk food. The keep off means to avoid something. To avoid something. That means we should not eat taking junk food. Okay. That means we have to avoid junk food because it is not helpful for our health. Okay. So the meaning of keep off, that to avoid something. To avoid something. We should keep off taking junk food. Okay. Next vocabulary, lifestyle. What is the meaning of lifestyle? Yes, you are right. Lifestyle means the way in which a person or group lives. Way of living. Lifestyle, that means way of living. The boy is ready for going to school and this is his lifestyle. Okay. Your lifestyle is that you are going to school regularly. This is your lifestyle. Okay. That means, what is the meaning of lifestyle? The way of living. Okay, dear learners. The boy is ready for going to school and this is his lifestyle. So the meaning of lifestyle, the way in which a person or groups lives. The way in which a person or groups lives. Way of living. Okay. Next vocabulary, rechargeable. Rechargeable. What is the meaning of rechargeable? Rechargeable battery. Battery save energy. The battery which can rechargeable, that can save energy. Okay, so rechargeable battery save energy. So the meaning of rechargeable is capable of being recharged. Capable of being recharged. Rechargeable means capable of being recharged. Okay. Dear student, please you write these vocabularies in your notebook. Okay. Rechargeable, that means capable of being recharged. Rechargeable battery save energy. Okay. Dear learners, you have seen different kinds of pictures in the slide. Now you have to say what things this is. Look at the pictures. Now look at the inbox below. You have to combine this instruction to this picture with this picture. Okay. So firstly, what have you seen? Yes, you are right. Firstly, you have seen solar energy. This is solar energy. Number one, solar energy. Dear students, you have seen that 10 topic or pictures are shown in the slide and you have to match with this instruction which has been given here. Okay, the first one is solar energy and the second one is energy saving bulb. This is energy saving bulb. This bulb can save energy. Okay, maybe could be 20 volt or maximum 30 volt. but the light is available. Okay, so this is called energy saving bulb. Number 3, turning off switch. Turning off switch. Okay, number 3, turning off switch. When we will go outside from our rooms, that time we have to turn off the switch. We never waste our energy or current. Okay, we have to conscious or cautious about these things. Number 4, that is using hose pipe. Okay, hose pipe. Using hose pipe. Number 5, reuse bottles. These bottles has been reused. Firstly, we can when we can buy these bottles, that time it is the bottle is containing waters or cold drinks, but after drinking the cold drinks or waters, we can use this bottle in this way. Okay, so reuse bottles. These bottles we have been reused. Reuse bottles. Number 6, that is what are you? Yeah, air condition. Yes, air conditioner. This is air conditioner. What is the main activities of air condition? Yes, it can control air and we feel cold by using air condition. Okay. Number 4, this is burning gas. This is burning gas. We can cook our food by using this burning gas. Okay. Number 8, this is reuse papers. Reuse papers. Dear learners, you can see that these things have been made by some papers, which papers already have been used. So this is reuse paper, and we have making some new things. Okay, so this is reuse paper. Number 4, room heater. This is room heater. Okay, in the very cold season, in winter season, we can use room heater, because this room heater can warm us. Okay, and the room can get warmer. So this is room heater. Number 10, that is dairy product. Dairy product. Okay, especially the city peoples, for example the Dhaka city's people, they can't challenge direct milk which we can get from cows, but they use this dairy product, because this dairy product is made of milk which you can get cows. Okay, so the number 10 is dairy product. Okay, dear students, now individual work. Now we'll go to individual work. Go to textbook and read the passage from section A and rewrite the answer of the following questions. Dear students, for your concern, I'd like to mention that we are discussing today unit 9 lesson 4. Okay, so this is your individual work. You can go to your textbook and read the passage from section A and write the answer of the following question. Okay, what can you often use instead of air conditioning? What can you often use instead of air conditioning? Yes, this is the answer. We can often use hand fans instead of air conditioning. Okay. Question: what can you often use instead instead of air conditioning? And the answer is we can often use hand fans. We can often use hand fans. Okay, instead of air conditioning. Okay. How do people waste a lot of energy? How do people waste a lot of energy? And this is the answer. People often leave lights, heating, air conditioning, computers, TVs, and gas burners when they do not use them. Thus, they waste a lot of energy. This is a very important question, very significant question, and you have to maintain these things. Okay. And the question is, how do people waste a lot of energy? How do people waste a lot of energy? People often leave light. People often leave lights, heating, air conditioning, computers, TV, and gas burners on when they do not use them. Thus, they waste a lot of energy. So we have to be cautious about this matter. When you will go outside, that time you must be turn off all these things like computers, air conditioners, lights, TVs, gas burners. Okay. Okay, dear students, question number 3. How can you save energy? How can you save energy? We can save energy by turning things off when we don't use them. I have already told you about these questions. How can you save energy? We can save energy by turning these things off when we don't use them. When we don't use them, we don't turn on all these things. Okay, so we must have to turn off all these things when we don't use them. Okay, so the answer, we can save energy by turning things off when we don't use them. Okay. All these pictures have also given in your textbook. Burning gas, turning light or fan off, jute bag, plastic bag, using electric hair dryer, cutting tree, emitting carbon gas, planting tree, drying clothes in the sun, using bicycle. Okay, so say for the pictures which reduce global warming and say for the pictures which increase global warming. Okay, click on the picture. Have you clear of this question? You have to say, dear students, you have to say and give tick for the pictures which reduce global warming and say for the pictures which increase global warming. Okay, which reduce global warming and which increases the global warming. You have to say by observing these things. First one, student, this is the answer. If I have some shorter shorts, I will help some save water at home. Okay? If I have shorter showers, I will help save water at home. Number 2, I can help keep cars off the road by walking to school and shops. I can help keep cars off the road by walking to school and shops. Number 3, when I leave a room, I can save energy by turning the light off. When I leave a room, I can save energy by turning the light off. Putting on a jumper instead of the heater will keep me warm in winter. Putting on a jumper instead of the heater. Putting on a jumper instead of